Often thought to be the most beautiful of the so-called fossil Pokémon, the Aurorus family was a contemporary of Tyrantrum, a predator that is thought to be the primary cause of the species' unusually small range of habitats. Amaura and Aurorus fossils have only been discovered in 3 locations thus far: the northeasternmost and southeasternmost parts of the Galosian Peninsula and the Sinoian Basin, now known as Lake Acuity. Though mostly eclipsed by the revival of Tyrantrum in 2013, researchers have been able to gain much insight into the species' habits and quirks since the first revival of an Amaura 4 years ago. Observation has now made it apparent that the species is marked by extreme docility, in contrast to the belligerent Tyrantrum. They do, however, have powerful defense mechanisms that they use when defending their young. They demonstrate an ability to refract and utilize natural light as a means of defense, similar to the abilities of the modern Alolan varieties of Ninetales, as was mentioned in the last edition of Pokémon Biology. They do this through their magnificent sails, which refract light in the manner of a prism. In a blizzard, such a display would be blinding, allowing even the slow Aurorus and Amaura to easily escape from potential predators. Thought to once have been more widespread as species, experts hypothesize that the widespread distribution of Tyrantrum limited the Aurora Pokémon's available habitats, pushing it into only the coldest of areas, where Tyrantrum could not survive. Some even suggest that the scarcity of food in such regions led to an early extinction of the species. Ironically, this early extinction, in the most bitterly cold of regions, allowed researchers to obtain surprisingly well-preserved samples of DNA, which in turn has given rise to the revival of the magnificent species today.